because we have figured out how to 3D print zirconia, and it is going to change the game. Boston Microfabrication, they have a special printer, they have a special protocol, they have a special resin, and they recently got FDA clearance. So they are a leading company. So the potential for cost to drop is very exciting. And I think we're start seeing that over the next few years. Benefits for dentists, I think we may start seeing same-day zirconia, which would be an impressive feat. 3D print on that. Just going to open source this type of technology. The lab industry, a lot like zirconia did the first time when they figured out how to mill it. And you figure out how to 3D print it, especially if that can be done more cheaply, that's going to be a game changer.